Mahiya naman kayo sa inyong kapwa Pilipino.
Binastos pa nila ako.
But the law and what
Pakinggan ng proceeds of the illegal drug trade ng Duterte.
The law enforcement, the highest law enforcement official being head of PNP. Yeah. Now you're hiding this scoundrel, this fugitive.
I read lately or last opinion about yung kay Orly by Orly Mercado sa Manila Times. Just open, okay. Sa mga nanonood po dyan po, open the Manila Times page, go to opinion, type O'Reilly,
Okay.
O-R-L-Y. Ang tabi niya po dung huli po is this, about yung sinasabi, nagmumulto ba ang salita ni Mao Zedong, Mao Zedong, yung si Premier Mao, Chairman Mao, Premier Mao, yung very words of Premier Mao po sa China. What is I'll give the gist of this or yung summary po is this. Sabi po doon kasi, when the words start not to hurt your enemy, parang net you're effective. Kasi pinakaturo ni Mao Zedong sa kanyang mga hukbo, sa mga hukbo dati nung pampasimula na yung Red Revolution o yung revolution ng China. Ganun din po pala, this is the very tactic na po ang ginagamit po ngayon ng Pilipinas laban sa kanila. What is this? They're just exposing everything in this in the West Philippine Sea. What's really happening right now. In fact, the very words there, they don't know about the great tactics. What is great tactics of warfare? Doon lang natin nalaman pala ang isang great tactics of warfare. What's a great tactics of warfare? It's provocation. It's you can hurt someone as long you will not kill someone. Yung pong ibig sabihin po ng great tactics. Water cannoning. One great tactics. Pwede kang makapanakit, makapasira ng pasilidad at i-disable ba through water cannon. Pero hindi tayo walang mamamatay sa atin, makakaperwisyo lang. Yung ginagawa din nila, yung laser pointing, yung high frequency attacks. Yan, great tactics yan.
So in short, parang ang gusto mong sabihin, it's more of the instigations from the Chinese government to parang
As long they will not
profess a
kill.
reaction.
Pag kasi nakadali sila, nakapatay sila, baka maano yung NDA ng between us and America.
Yeah. And I think that's
Sige.
what the
What's the
Chinese
worst case
government
scenario?
is yes, and I think that's what the Chinese government is doing. They're
So-
trying to provoke the country to react with such great force para magkaroon sila ng rason to do
No.
something.
I think that's other way around. China is trying to almost only using that great book tactic to the full extent as long they will not injure someone to death.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Mm.
They will
Mm.
do provocation para
Yes.
meron tayong reaction towards it. But the problem is, ang problema, which is I think even Commodore J. Tariela said on one of his interview, ang problema kapag tayo nag-react, the Chinese government will overreact and use it against us para meron silang rason.
That's propaganda war eh. That's propaganda
Yes.
war.
And I
Mm.
think I
W-
remember, I
sige
remember,
po.
if we're gonna go back
Okay,
to
go.
history, Pinoy
Yes.
administration,
Mm.
if you guys remember, at the Scarborough Shoal, I think, meron kasi mga
The standoff.
fisherman.
The
Oo,
standoff?
hindi, I think another instance na parang itong
Okay
mga
na rin
Chinese
ito. Not the
fisherman
standoff.
went to Scarborough Shoal, and then
Sige po.
what they did was they
Mm.
were apprehended by the gray naval ship. Ang
Okay.
lengguwahe po kasi sa karagatan ng Pilipinas, Coast Guard is not part of AFP.
Puti.
Navy is part
Yeah.
of AFP. Nung
Yes.
nagkaroon ng apprehension dito sa Chinese fisherman, itong ibis na Coast Guard, which is the people, parang paano ba masasabi? The people part ng hukbong pandagat, yung Navy natin, which is the white naval vessel, dapat yun ang
That's the
mag-a-apprehend.
Coast Guard.
Kaso, Coast Guard. Pero dahil ang pinakamalapit is the gray
Great.
Navy
That's Navy.
vessel, which is under AFP, sila yung nag-apprehend. And at that time, kung makikita nyo po yung history, Chinese government took part of this situation and then used it against the Philippines to say na, o kayo nag-umpisa, ganito ginawa ninyo. Kaya may rason kami to do this to you. And we all know
Yes.
na because of this playbook, Commodore J. Tariela says, kahit meron tayong water cannon, it's not
We will not
tantamount
do.
for us to use it
Mm.
towards Chinese government because
Mm.
that's what they want, to provoke us,
Yes.
to get the reaction, use it against us.
And afterwards, if we hurt them, they will say no. They will say they will use no the excuse already or in their playbook also to put us in
Yeah,
a bad light.